What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going through real quick and show you an installation of some side window louvers. Kind of give the Mustang Mach-E a little bit more of that traditional old school Mustang look. This window back here is pretty much useless anyhow, so we'll go ahead and put some louvers on it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. I'd like to give these louvers to someone who subscribed, so hit the subscribe button and then throw a comment in the bottom. Let me know you'd want them, and I'll ship them to pretty much anywhere in the lower 48. Okay, first we'll go ahead and take a look at these. So this is the carbon fiber design. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. But you can see here they're a gray and black carbon fiber look. The kit itself didn't come with anything, but as far as tools are required, you're going to want some paper towels, some window cleaner, some alcohol wipes, and some masking tape. First we'll go ahead, just put a light spray right there on the window with the cleaner. Take your paper towel. You're going to want to clean this all out. Get real good up in the edges near all this rubber. I would also suggest maybe using a little chamois towel. Get in there. Give that a good scrub. Basically just want to get any lint and dust off so that it doesn't end up under the adhesive. Now go ahead and grab your alcohol swab, just a typical alcohol pad, and we're gonna go ahead and give that a good wipe. Again, focusing primarily in these corners, really dig in there. Last thing you want is these things potentially flying off. And if you can, I would suggest doing this in a warm weather climate. It's nice and sunny here today. The car's been out in the sun. And I'm going to go around again with the chamois. I'm going to get out any little dust or dirt that might still be in here. You have a driver's side and a passenger side. They're essentially mirror image molded parts. So for the driver's side, which we'll do here, the part number on the back has a 1 at the end, while the passenger side has that little number 2 at the end. So real simple, we're just going to go ahead and remove this red layer from the adhesive, and then we're going to go ahead and stick it on. Once you've got the adhesive exposed, you want to put that right in. You want to go ahead and give that a good press here, good press along this edge, and a good, keep that pressure going all the way. What I would do is then take the masking tape and apply it on there so that it can give it some continued pressure so you get good adhesion to the glass. Me personally, this is what I would do. So there you have it. That's what it will look like installed. Again, this is on the dark gray matter. Get a couple look at it here. If you want to see these in the black configuration, go pay a visit to my buddy Ben, the EV guy. He's got these installed in the solid black on a rapid red, so you can see which color you like best. Again, it's Ben, the EV guy. I'll put a link to his page below. Again, I didn't really install these because I want to give this set to a subscriber. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of them. Do you like them? Are they hot? Are they not? If you'd like the opportunity to to have these, just let me know and I'll pick one winner and reach out to you personally and we'll figure out how to get it to you. All right, guys, thanks.